Why do dogs roll in disgusting smells? Why does your dog start barking the moment you're on the phone? Why, in the middle of a quiet night, does it suddenly stare into a corner and react like something's there? These behaviors aren't random. They're rooted in thousands of years of evolution, highly sensitive nervous systems, and deeply ingrained survival instincts. Today, we're breaking down 8 strange dog behaviors and what science actually says about them. You're out on a walk. Your dog finds something awful and immediately rolls in it. Observational studies at Wolf Park in Indiana found that wolves, the ancestors of domestic dogs, also roll in novel or strong odors. There are 3 main scientific theories. First, scent masking, covering their own smell to approach prey more effectively. Second, information sharing, bringing new environmental scents back to the pack. Third, neurological stimulation, strong odors, may activate reward pathways in the brain. There's no single confirmed explanation yet. But one thing is clear, this behavior is ancient, not accidental. To you, it's disgusting. To your dog, it may be valuable data. You're calmly talking on the phone. Suddenly, your dog starts barking. A 2016 study published in Biology Letters showed that dogs have specialized brain regions that process familiar human voices. When you're on the phone, they hear your voice. They detect emotional tone changes, but they can't see the other person. For a highly social species like dogs, that mismatch can trigger alert behavior. They may be trying to participate, feeling confused, or responding protectively. From their perspective, something socially unusual is happening. It's quiet. You hear nothing. But dogs can detect frequencies between 45,000 and 65,000 hertzes, more than double the human range. That includes high-frequency electronics, subtle structural noises, distant movement. Research from Eötvös Loránd University in Hungary suggests dogs are extremely responsive to subtle environmental changes. So, when your dog barks at nothing, there may be something there, just not in your sensory range. Your dog backs up and stands between your legs. This behavior is often linked to mild stress or uncertainty. Studies in applied animal behavior science show that dogs seek physical contact with familiar humans when anxious. By positioning themselves between your legs, they reduce visual stimulation, increase physical reassurance, stay close to their trusted leader. It's a security strategy, not a random habit. They're not asking for food. They don't need to go outside. They're just staring. A 2015 study from Nagoya University found that mutual gazing between dogs and their owners increases oxytocin levels in both the same hormone involved in bonding between mothers and infants. Eye contact strengthens attachment. When your dog stares at you, it may literally be reinforcing your emotional bond. That look isn't empty. It's biological connection. Before lying down, your dog scratches, circles, or digs at the surface. This behavior comes directly from wild ancestors. Wolves and feral dogs dig too. Create a comfortable resting spot. Regulate temperature. Check for threats. Hide food. Behavioral researchers refer to this as a fixed action pattern, an instinctive sequence triggered automatically, even when it's no longer necessary. Even though your dog is lying on a soft couch, its brain still runs ancient survival code. That scratching isn't pointless. It's evolutionary memory in action. You notice their legs twitching, maybe a soft whine, maybe small running motions. Dogs experience REM sleep rapid eye movement just like humans. During REM, brain activity increases. Memory consolidation occurs. Muscle inhibition isn't complete. According to research in animal neurobiology and reports from the American Kennel Club, dogs likely replay daily experiences during REM sleep. They may be chasing a ball, running at the park, interacting with you. Waking a dog abruptly during REM can startle them because their brain is actively engaged in dream processing. They're not malfunctioning, they're dreaming. Your dog is playing, running, then suddenly complete stillness. This is known as the orienting response. Predatory animals are wired to pause instantly when detecting new stimuli. It allows them to pinpoint sound direction, analyze scent changes, evaluate risk or opportunity. Their nervous system prioritizes environmental scanning. That freeze moment is rapid threat assessment. It's not confusion, it's calculation. Dogs don't act randomly. What we call strange is often just evolution operating in a modern environment. The more you understand these instincts, the more you realize how complex and intelligent they truly are. If you'd like a part 2 with even more surprising behaviors backed by research, comment part 2 below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to understand your dog on a deeper level, not just as a pet, but as an animal shaped by thousands of years of survival,